I am off on another one of what I call my death trips, which is probably not the best name for them, but it's the name that's stuck in my head. I put myself in situations like this outdoors where I'm probably not doing the smartest thing. Right now, I am hiking alone in the desert in the summer in a place with no cell service, which, on paper, not a great idea. But in situations like this, you could have a great time the whole way through with no issues whatsoever, or you face problems. And those problems are immediate, they're physical, they're right in front of you. And it's good to prove that you can solve these problems when they come up. Now, is places like this, some problems are just going to get you. But luckily, so far, all the problems that I've faced have been solvable, and there's a certain sort of joy that comes with solving problems like that. So I go out, get away from everything, go at whatever speed I want, stop when I want, go whichever direction I want, and do my best to make it home safely. So, follow me along in the desert, see what happens. Right now, my goal is that big old triangle over there. Don't know if I'm going to go up it, around it, part way, haven't decided. But it's a pretty easy thing to point at, so that's where I'm going. Behind me, that little triangle there will lead me in the direction of my car. So, that's what's happening.